even though even though we didn't get to see each other very often, always remember that Ninong Fergie is always here for you, okay? Always be kind, stay curious, and always
Ninang is getting emotional.
shining always, okay? Study hard, God bless. I love you, baby. Happy birthday ulit.
I know you can understand Tagalog, kaya Tagalog na lang. First of all, enjoy yourself, being a kid. Enjoy it. And most of all, be kind. Be kind to your mother and father. And of course, be polite. Most of all, be polite. Be a polite kid. Okay, happy birthday, Miss Katie.
Oh, thank you, Dave.
I know that you will reach our dream someday. I love you. Ate is always here for you. Thank you, Ate.
Happy birthday, my sweetheart. I hope all your dreams come true and what else?
Whatever you have in your heart.
All your wishes come true. Happy
Alright.
Thank you.
Of course. The night will not be complete without Ate Charmaine.
Can I just sing?
Oh yeah.
Astrid, happy birthday. Always be a good girl to your mommy and daddy. And I hope all your dreams will come true. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ate Charmaine.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa sweetness yung escape mo ngayon. I love you, Mama. Chup-chups. Baby.
Okay, that will be followed by Ate Mariel.
Same wish with your mama and papa. Copy-paste ko. As long as you have the wisdom tooth, you have the wisdom in you. Becca here. We have a wish for you. Are you happy tonight? Who do you love most? Who makes you happy?
Hello, Astrid. Happy birthday. We have seen a street grow from a baby toddler into a fine young lady surrounded by friends, family, and loving parents. We wish you more good years of happy memories. Be a God-fearing, lovable, responsible daughter, and make your parents more proud of you. Stay energetic and bubbly and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Astrid.
And last but not least, a birthday wish from her best friend, Hayla.
Happy birthday, Amira. Please listen to your parents. I want all your dreams. And I want you to be a very good girl and to be happy all the time. Please be nice to everyone. And I want you to have high grades every time. And happy birthday.
Wow, thank you very much, Hayla. I wish the same to you.